doing today. We're going on an adventure to Rabbit Hill. Rabbit Hill! And we got all the members of the space shuttle with us. Got pilot, Kaylin. Hello. And Kathy. Nick in the back with Christine. Hi. And Brandon. And now we're on the bumpy road. We're pretty much in the middle of nowhere right now. Right?
I know. Yeah. This is the river, did you know that? We are right by the river. Hey, they fixed this road up. This part used to be super bumpy.
It's not that bad, is it? Oh. Kathy's preparing us for it. Okay, see out the window. We're gonna be there in like 5 minutes. I think we're gonna be the first one there.
No.
We're still waiting on like Jennifer and Ivan and them.
What's the big ass potholes? Oh, there!
Pothole!
Oh, I missed that. Oh, I'm dodging those. Oh, not good. Oh, shit.
Why do they have a banquet center in like the middle of nowhere? Are people gonna have like weddings here?
Oh yeah, that's not good.
Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa.
Do you guys hear that?
Whoa. No.
The car is gonna break down.
No, knock on wood, Sharon.
There's no wood in the car.
There's no other way to get home if
The space shuttle.
this breaks down.
Our life depends on it.
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to turn in? Oh, right here.
Yeah. There's so many people.
Oh man. We thought we got the whole hill to ourselves. Oh, there's actually. Whoa. Is it a field trip?
I think so, because I saw a bus.
Okay, they'll be leaving soon anyway, so.
That's true.
We're here!
Hey, should I park up this hill?
Destination
Should I park
arrived.
up this hill?
No, wait till it rolls down.
We did that at West End. It was really fun.
Oh, it is a field trip.
All the buses are just like.
Look at all those yellow buses. Right there. Right there.
I don't want to park near this bus.
We're here! Yay!
Sweet. Fun adventure.
Time to unload.
Well, everyone got
Okay,
everything?
everybody out. Fresh air.
Yeah.
We made it to Rabbit Hill on the big mountain. Yes. There's Emily. We met up with her teaching Jessica how to snowboard. She doesn't want to look at the camera. Kathy. Jennifer up there. Yeah. Look at the view. So nice. But, yeah. Okay. I'm trying to teach Amanda how to stop. And there's Jenny up there. Pressure on your heels. Pressure on your heels. Come on, Amanda. You got this. You got this. I think this is like the biggest snowboarding group that we've had. There's like what? 15 people, I think. Yeah. We're going down the river run. I'm gonna try to record a video while going down. This is the dangerous thing I've ever done. Actually, maybe not, but here we go. That wasn't that bad. Wait, should I try facing like towards me? Okay. We're good, guys. Good? We'll see how well this works. If I fall, then you probably won't be able to see this video. But if you're watching this right now, that means I survived. Okay. It's Christine. Look at her. She's so proud. Oh. Here we go. This feels really dangerous. I feel like it's a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay.
We're the blue person, what's yours?
This is crazy. I don't know what I'm doing. Woo! Here we go. last time. Oh my god. Ah! Here we go. And slow. Woo! Ah. I made it out alive. Oh my god.
Good job.
Yeah, that's where I got hurt last time. Ground. We're finally munching down at IKEA. Everyone's all tired. And we're eating dinner here. Yeah. And we got Michael, Jenny, Emily, and Jenny in the back. Did I say Jenny twice? Michael, Jenny, and Emily.
I'm gonna start judging you too. Is that way too much lemon? Way too much.
I got some delicious salmon. And
you're just all condiments. You're no meal.
Well, I put all the sauce so I can dip it in.
It's not on the side though, is it?
It's like crunchy.
got meatballs and fries and tilapia dinners. Finally trying some princess cake. Yeah. Later. Fine. So this is what happens when you leave Jennifer in IKEA. Exhibit A.
Exhibit A.
Okay, maybe you can look.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm trying to play hide and seek. I'm trying to blend in.
I have no idea what's going on right now.
I want my frozen yogurt.
Kathy just really wants frozen yogurt. She's like suffering here. But everyone is
Distracted.
nice bed sheets. $45.
Then you'll blend in that way.
I'll blend in that one. Then wait.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me blend.
I don't know where to blend.
Watch Jen disappear.
Where did Jen go? Okay, your jacket.
I'm blending in.
Blending in.
Blended in.
Whoa, so soft.
It looks like, oh my god.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You want one of these, Jen?
Yeah, I want this for my birthday, okay? Like, actually, no, I don't.
So soft. A bath mat.
Bath mat. That
Sounds like a legit birthday present.
Wherever the arrows take us.
Follow the arrows. Follow the leader.
Fun, bro.
Yeah, it's upstairs.
This is lame. Hello.
Mirror vlog.
Sharon's future washroom.
Everything in IKEA is so nice. I just want like a house that's like all IKEA furniture.
Your future.
All furnished with IKEA goods. All these Swedish goods. Look at these children.
Oh no, this isn't this.
Okay.
My work is already finished.
Yeah, we will.
Mine too.
We can't leave without Kaylin anyway. These flowers are nice. So I guess that's it for our vlog. It's home time and we're all leaving. I think at least we're all leaving. I thought that's the plan, but well, half the group's already left. Less than half, but four people already left. But hey Sharon! Hey!
I probably look disgusting, but whatever.
Are we going home?
Yes. No, we're going to casino.
Are we going to casino?
Yeah.
Naughty! They want to go gamble. Look at these gambling addicts, especially Kaylin and Jennifer. Where are we going?
Nowhere.
Is it the end of the vlog? It's so cool! We're leaving IKEA.
Let's go to the park!
To the park? Let's go to the mall today. Come on everybody, let's go to the mall.
We need part 3 of this adventure!
Part 3.
Nothing's open at now.
I know.
Bars are. Brandon doesn't have a...
Well, Sharon, what should we do on this fine evening?
My battery's gonna die. Decide.
Are we going?
You
We want to go to the casino. They've never been.
Do you want to go casino?
In snow pants?
Yeah.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah!
snow
No, I'm just
pants.
kidding. Okay. Co-pilot ready for takeoff.